Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Ashapura Mines. Ashapura Mine is the ticker name as you can see here, and this is the price trend path of Ashapura Mines, and here you are watching the monthly technical chart of Ashapura Mine stock. You can see the RSI no technical indicators like RSI, MACD, momentum, IDX, money flow graphs here, along with other technical indicators. And if you look at the price trend path of Ashapura Mines, we have data here. I can zoom in. Yeah, we have data here since 2000, and look at the movement of the price of Ashapura. In January 2008, it spiked up, and that was the highest price, peak price it has reached. 453 rupees 96 price was the price that it was trading during its peak time, and after that it went down. That is the only time it went up, and most of the time the stock has been trading at a base level, below 100 rupees. It rarely, rarely throughout in its history, its price path history, very rarely it crossed I mean, 100 rupees. Recently. I mean, until that means since December 2008, December 2008 onwards, very rarely it crossed. Actually, it didn't cross that. That's what we can say. Okay, so it is playing. It's like it is moving in range bound fashion, and the bottom price is 1 rupee. Oh God, it is 1 rupee 84 or something like that, and the highest price is 98 rupees. 90, okay, 98 rupees, 70 rupees. That was the see nearly like this. I'm saying around 100 and around 1 rupee, and this stock can go up to that level, around 1 rupee level, around 1 rupee, 2 rupee level, and when it hit its bottom, and the highest point after 2008 it reached was maximum, 100 and 101 rupees like that. So this is the price range bound of this particular stock, and right now the stock is under the influence of positive super trend mode. But why the stock is behaving like this, though it is under the influence of positive super trend, but still the stock is behaving as if it is under a negative super trend mode. Why? And right now the stock is playing below its 50-day moving average. That is another negative sign. Okay, now we will see actually why this. What is the reason for this particular stock to play like this? Now, if you look at the RSI has hit its bottom and it is trying to move up. If you look at the tip, you can clearly see that this particular stock is moving. I mean, this particular graph is trying to move up and try to hit its cross the midpoint. That's what you can say. Now look at the MACD. MACD, MACD is just making a parallel line to the baseline, and we cannot even see the histogram bars there. And we can see that red line has dominated the signal line, and red line is on top of the red line, on black line and signal line, and there is no gap between those two lines. Overall the MACD is giving a thumbs down signal. Look at the momentum graph is simply, lying on top of the baseline, and it is making a parallel line here. Actually, there is no momentum, frankly. And look at the ADX, the direction strength of the stock is going down, and look at the money flow. Money flow is also, though it is playing on top of the baseline zero line, but not much money. Actually, the it is a look at the tip of the money flow. It is making a parallel line to the baseline. So that is that is the situation of this particular thing. Of this particular stock. Now, the reason for why this particular stock is not making great price upward price movements is due to lack of momentum and direction strength. Both are lacking, and so these are the reasons why this particular, though the stock is under the influence of positive super trend mode, but still it is lacking in direction strength, and it is lacking in momentum. So these two are the reasons why this particular stock is playing in a moving in a range bound fashion. That also 1 rupee to 100 rupee. That is these are the extreme prices that between which this stock has been playing. Okay, now so when I mean whether we consider this stock for long term investment, if that is a question, the answer is no. Unless unless we see a considerable spike in the momentum graph and the flow and the directional strength of the black line of the ADX, until we see a spike, a rise, the in the direction change in the direction strength of the stock, we cannot recommend the stock for long term investment. Until then, you can use the stock for swing trading or short term trading, but not for long term investment. That is the conclusion for this particular stock. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.